Hi friends, this is Excel Guru Rajnikant, and here I'm going to share a solution. And here the query is actually you have to find the words or a names in second word first letter if equal to C. I mean to say it's a C, then you have to extract those names. Okay. So here I'm going to share a screen. Here is the screen. So it's very easy. Okay, this is a query given by my friend. Maybe it's a challenge or he wants to know the solution for this query. I doesn't know about that. So here is the query. And another thing is that you have to highlight those words which is having second word first letter is C in yellow color or any color, whatever it may be. Okay. First of all, what I'll do means I use the function which is familiar with everyone knows that function, that is mid function. Okay. Is equal to mid of take who. Okay. Before that, I will show you the search function to pick up the space in this. Okay. So it will give the position of the space. But we want after. And one thing you remember, guys, search will pick up the first occurrent value, whatever it may be a space or it may be a character, it may be a number, but it will pick up the first occurrent. So I'm searching the space, it may be three words also. Okay, but space will search only first occurrent value. So for that reason, I use the space. So it will give you all the position of the spaces. We doesn't want the spaces. We want after the space first character. So I use +1. So it will move to first space. Wow. Next level. Okay. So here I use another function that is made of this F4 comma and starting number, already I said this is the starting number, F9. Okay, after space, there should be one character that is equal to C. And how many characters, number of characters do you need from that? I need only one character. Okay, now I press F9. Okay, all C's are, all letters are there. But we want only the letter that is C. Okay, it may be a case sensitive. Search may be a case sensitive. Okay, it can understand that. Okay, it may be small or it may be big. Now, what I'll do, I ask if you find any letter C in this place, in these values, then give me the row of whole thing F4 minus row of this F4 +1. Done. So many times I explained you that why I use the row of this function. Okay, now coming to here. What I'll do now, F9, I'll press F9, so it will pick up this positions. Okay, and wherever you find the C, capital C, it will pick up that position. That may be 6, 8, 10, 12, 18. Right. So control Z. And now I use small function, small of. If I give 1, it will pick up the first smallest. So now what I'll do, I use the rows of C dollar 2 colon C2. Okay. This is the K value, close the parenthesis. It's an array function. You have to use Control Shift and Enter. Okay. See, these are the these are the places where you find the C. the letter C. Okay, the character C or letter C. Now I use index function. Index of this whole thing F4, comma, close parenthesis. Okay, it's an array function. I'm using this one. Wait a minute. See. Okay. Understood, guys? Because it's not found for that reason, you can use if error also if you want. If error. If you find any error in this function, show me the blank. Enter. I'm using only enter because I'm using 365, Microsoft 365. If you are using Excel 2010, then you have to use Control, Shift, and Enter. Now, another another task is that you have to highlight those things which is having second letter first character C. Again, now, see what I'll do. Same procedure, search of space, space in this. Okay, that's it. You want C character. Okay, you want C, right? +1. So it will give you the position. Now, what I'll do, I'll use the same function. Here also, I'm using the same function made of this, comma, number of characters is 1. Okay, double click. See, wait, now I use another thing that equal to C. I'm doing conditional format. Okay. Now you have to copy these function here. Before that, I will remove conditional format for this. Okay, where it is conditional format, clear rules, right? If it is there, it is not there. If it is there, so I'll remove like this. Okay. Now I copy this formula from here. Controls F2. Whole formula is better. Okay. I copied this formula and selected this range and going to Alt HLN. Alt HLN, shortcut key for conditional format. Select this one, Control V. And format, what the format do you need? He said they need in yellow color. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll go to color is yellow. As they said. And okay, font color. Okay, I said font color, sorry. Actually, fill color with yellow. Okay, I'm giving border, no border font. Okay, bold and black because it should be visible clearly. Okay, okay. Now see the magic. Yeah. Okay, guys. If you have any more doubts, please let me know in this video comment box or in Telegram group. I'm mentioning my Telegram group in this video description. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And interview questions are going every weekly, twice or thrice. I'm trying to post the interview questions over there. And you can join in Telegram so that you can share your queries and you can watch my videos, interview question videos, especially interview question videos. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thanks for your support.